When you hold me in the street and you kiss me on the dance floor, I wish that it could be like that. Why can't it be like that? 'Cause I'm yours. We keep behind closed doors. Every time I see you, I dilate and more. Stolen moments that we steal as the curtain falls. It will never be enough. So we use your men for me. Every piece of you, it just fits perfectly. Every second, every thought, I'm insulting, but will never show it on my face. But you notice we got a love that is hopeless. Why can't you hold